Today's topic is how to find percentage of a number. That is how to find percentage of a number, and there are different ways to find the percentage of a particular number. And general procedure is, let us take one example, that is 50% of 280. 50% of 280. To find this, we are going to multiply 50 with 280 by 100. This is a general procedure to find the percentage of a number, and here 50 into 2 times and 2 into 140, and of course it is easy because both are having a round figure number. This is a normal procedure to find the percentages. If you are having a proper cancellation, then it is very easy to find it. Okay, but some cases it is difficult to find if you are not having the proper something, like instead of this 50 you are having something like 43, so it is very difficult to solve it. Let's see a simple method, that is addition or subtraction method to find the percentage of a number. That is, let us see here, to find the percentage of this number, the one more method is 50% of 280. We are having 100% of a number is nothing but a total number. 100% of a number is nothing but of a total number, that is 280. If it is 50%, it is half of that value. Got it? If it is 50%, half of that value. If it is 25%, 25% of 280, half of that, that is 70. Got it? And if it is a 10%, 10% of 280, it is 28. Got it? If it is 20%, 20% of 280, 20% of 280 is little difficult to find. So if you know the 10%, 10% is 28. 28 plus 28 is nothing but of 20%. Got it? So you know a general procedure, a mathematical procedure to find the percentage of a particular number. That is, you know 100% of a number is nothing but of the total number 280. 50% of a same number is half of that, that is 140. 25% of that number, same number, is equals to half of that, 70. 10% of the same number is equals to 10% of same number equals to, it is actually a 280. 10% is nothing but of 28. 20% of 280 is, it is little difficult to calculate by using this same procedure. So that I have a technique, that is, I am going to add two 10%. I know the 10% of 280 is 28. The one more 10% of 280 is 28. That is, so 28 plus 28 is 56. That is nothing but of 20% of 280. Okay, like you can add more times. If it is 30%, you can take 10%, 10%, 10%, 28, 28, 28. By add it, you can get the total value. You don't need to calculate by using the mathematical tables. You don't require any tables to solve it. You just need additions. Okay, so 50% of this number is nothing but a 140. Let's go for the one more example. 30% of a number 60. Let us take 60. It is very simple. 30% of 60. So now you see the another technique, that is, you are having both are round figures here, zeros at the end point. That is 6 8s are 6 8s are 80. The answer is 80. Because if you want to solve it, 30 into 60 by 100, the both two zeros are cancelled out. So 6 into 3, 18 you are going to get. So you are having two zeros. So two zeros you are going to remove if it is a percentage. The remaining is the answer. So we'll go for the one more example. 70% of something like 200. 70% of 200. So what I said, here we are having zeros again. So just cancel out two zeros. The remaining is 7 2s are 14 and a 0 multiplication. 70% of 200 is 140. Okay. To find the percentages, just cancel out two zeros in the real quantity. And take one more example. 80% of a 50 number. 80% of a 50 is, again you are having the round number, 0 and 0 will cancel out, 8 5s are 40. The answer is 40. 8 5s are 40. Go for one more little difficult and tricky model, that is 33% of 250. Little difficult and tricky. 33% of 250. But if you want to solve like 33 into 250 by 100, what is happening? It is 0.4. It is difficult to solve it by using this method. So that is 330 by 4. So further and further it is required some calculation part. So I don't need this procedure. I need a basic method, that is 10% of this 250 is 10% of 250 is 25. It is having 30%, so that 25 25 25 it is equals to 75, and 3% of that, 10% to 25, 3% is 10% is 25, 1% is 2.5, 3% is 7.5. So just add 7.5, that is 82.5. Addition is very easy than multiplication, I know. Okay, so that to solve this 33% of 250 is, first take 10% of this, again 10%, again 10%, 7.5, again 3%, that is 7.5, 5, 12, 82.5. It takes less than 10 seconds to solve it. Okay, take one more example. 28% of 450. 28% of 450. So you can go for 10%, 10% plus 8%. It is little difficult. You can do in the reverse procedure, that is 10 10 10 10 10 10 minus 2%. Because it is a 30 minus 2, it is 28 is 30 minus 2. I am going to take 30% of this one, that is 10% is 45, 10% is 45, 10% is 45, 135, and it is actually 30%, but we need only 28, so I am going to subtract 2%. So 2% of this one is 4.5, the 4.5, that is 9. Just subtract 9 from this. So the answer is 15 minus 9, 6, 126. See how simple it is. Okay, so once again I am going to repeat here. 28% of 450 is, it is difficult to find 10% plus 10% plus 80%, so that I am going to use 30% minus 2%. 30 minus 2, so that is equals to 28%. So 30% of this one is, 10% is 45, 10% is 45, 10% is 45, that is 135, and 2% of this one is 4.5. This is 10% is 45, 1% is 4.5, 4.5, that is 9. So I am going to subtract 9 from this, that is 126. You can solve any kind of percentage problems by using this technique. Okay. It takes less than 10 seconds. We are having practice. Take one more example. 45 percentage of 450. 45 percentage of 450. To solve this, I need 40% plus 5%. 40% plus 5%. It is easy to find the 10%. 10% of this one is 45. Again, the 10% is 45. This is 90. I'm going to take the separate 20%, 90. If I'm taking 45, 45, 45, 45 4 times, it is little difficult to add again. So then next 90 plus 90 is 180. This is 40%. Okay, the 90% is already we find the 40% is 180, and the, something like 10 more percentage is this 5, 12, 225, and this is actually a 50% number, but we need 5%, that is 22.5. So that add 22.5 to this number. So the value is 202.5. Once again, I'm going to repeat this one. That is 45 percentage of 450 is, it is little difficult to find. Okay, so first I'm going to find the 10%. 10% is 45. Again 10% is 45. I'm going to add these two, that is 90. Separately I'm going to take the 10%, that is 90. I need 40%, so that is 90 plus 90 is 180. And next I need 5%. 40% is 180 plus 10% is 45, that is 225, but I need only the 5%. That 5% is 22.5. The summation is 202.5. If you want to solve it by using 45 into 450 by 45 into 450 by 100, it is a little difficult task to solve it. Or else we are having 45 square. We are having 45 square. That is also easy method. So this is about percentage calculation. So you do some examples. That is 27% of 260. 32% of 180, 63% of 270. We solve this and put it in the group. Okay, thank you.